Kia ora, I'm Sherry Kinnear and these are the latest New Zealand Herald headlines. The Prime Minister is poised to reveal changes to New Zealand's COVID restrictions regime. Vaccine passes, mandates and the wider traffic light settings are all up for review, but Director General of Health Dr Ashley Bloomfield is urging New Zealanders to remain COVID cautious. He says Kiwis shouldn't become complacent.
International experience with Omicron suggests that in New Zealand we can expect to see cases will likely remain in the low thousands each day for some time.
The focus in the wake of the Far North fishing charter tragedy is about to turn to the investigation. The last of the 10 people on board has been accounted for. The fifth body was retrieved by a vessel yesterday afternoon, understood to have been found inside the hull. The Maunganui-based Enchanter sank off North Cape on Sunday night. 5 people, including the vessel's skipper Lance Goodhue, were rescued and were discharged from Kaitaia Hospital on Monday. The government's confirmed more details around temporary changes to road user charges. From late April to late July, they'll be cut by 36% across all legislated rates. The drop offers similar savings to last week's 25 cents a litre cut to fuel excise duty. Transporting New Zealand CEO Nick Leggett says it's good those who pay road user charges will have parity with petrol users, but there's still more detail to come.
The industry has been calling for clarity and for really the information to be forthcoming on how this is going to be applied, how they can make it work in their businesses and with their vehicles.
Evacuations are taking place in parts of the Gisborne region due to severe flooding. A severe weather warning is in effect for Bay of Plenty, Gisborne, Hawke's Bay, Taupo and Western Tasman areas. People are being warned to stay off the roads as conditions are not improving. Anyone in immediate danger of flooding should move to higher ground. In world news, Ukraine has appealed to Russia to allow humanitarian supplies into Mariupol to let desperate civilians out of the city. President Vladimir Zelensky says it's been devastated by Russian bombardment. Officials in Mariupol say the port city, which has a peacetime population of 400,000, has no food, medicine, power or running water. And experts have weighed in on what could have brought down the China Eastern flight, which killed 132 people when it plummeted into a mountainside on Monday. Australian aviation expert Neil Hansford believes it could have been one of 4 scenarios: pilot suicide, aircraft mid-air collision with a military aircraft being struck by a missile, or an onboard explosion. And those are the latest New Zealand Herald headlines. For more and to stay up to date, head to nzherald.co.nz. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here, and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.